Understanding, it's a 50-50, a dive into English expressions. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English expression, it's a 50-50. This phrase is quite common in everyday conversations, but what does it really mean? Stay with us as we explore its meaning, usage, and some examples to help you master it in no time. Let's get started. The phrase, "It's a 50-50," refers to a situation where two outcomes are equally likely to happen. It means that there is a 50% chance for one thing to occur and a 50% chance for another thing to occur. This expression is often used to describe situations where there is no clear advantage for one option over the other, making them equally probable. You can use this phrase in various situations, such as making decisions, when you're undecided between two choices because both seem equally good or bad. Predicting outcomes, in scenarios where it's hard to say what will happen next, indicating that the result is uncertain. Expressing uncertainty, when you're unsure about the likelihood of an event happening. Let's look at some examples to see how "it's a 50-50" can be used in everyday language. Example 1. Do you think it will rain today? Honestly, it's a 50-50. The weather has been so unpredictable lately. Example 2. Should we go out or stay in tonight? I'm not sure, it's a 50-50 for me. I'm okay with either option. Example 3. When planning a trip and considering the chances of getting a hotel booking during peak season, one might say, getting a reservation is a 50-50 at this point. Understanding the phrase, "it's a 50-50," can add nuance to your conversations, allowing you to express uncertainty, predict outcomes, or discuss decisions in a balanced way. It's a handy expression that reflects the unpredictability of life's many choices and challenges. We hope this video has helped clarify its meaning and use for you. Remember, language learning is all about practice, so try using "it's a 50-50" in your next conversation. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.